I've been using Figma for over a year now, exactly probably 13 months, and I haven't tried Adobe XD at all. So recently, I just bought a subscription for Adobe XD, the free trial, and I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to create some screens and prototype with it in this video, and I'll give my review and comparison with Figma. So, I'm excited to see how this looks like. Hopefully I don't fail too much. Let's get right into it. This is the Adobe screen. I haven't tried it before, but I've watched some tutorials on it, so I can't really say if I'm going to be very, very bad at it. Let's see. Give me some slack. Yeah. Honestly, it's so different from Figma and weird at the same time. But yeah, this is a learning experience, right? So the tutorial I watched the other day said you don't need this one. Oh my god. Yeah, by the way, let's check Dribble for some inspiration. Maybe a home screen, or I can't say, do something simple, a Dribble design, because I'm not in the mood to like go full in, but I also want to test how Adobe XD looks like. I don't know, if you want to see what I'm looking at, I think I'll just bring this screen over here so you can have an idea what I'm looking at. This is a Dribble screen. So these guys are people they inspire me with their Dribble work. Crazy people. I don't mean crazy people, but yeah. So let's search for a home screen. Banking app home screen. This looks beautiful, honestly. I just love the way it looks like, the gradients and everything, and I can imagine myself designing this in Figma because it's way easier in Figma. But wait, let's see how we can do it in Adobe XD, and we'll do it in Figma too, and we'll compare it. That's an idea, right? So we can take this one back to where it came from, and we can just paste this here. I don't know if this one accepts copy and paste. I don't know how Adobe XD works. Okay, it didn't work. Oh, it does. It accepts copy and paste, so that's like a point probably. This is the artboard. So the artboard, you can now pick whatever you want to. So I like using 13 Pro. Yeah, I use 13 Pro. Wow, just like Figma too. Control. Then what's now Alt? Okay, Alt and Control both zoom in and zoom out. That's weird. I thought their controls are different, but they are actually. So that's awesome. So home screen. Oh, you see that? Not bad, not bad. I guess that's something, honestly. That's something. For a noob like me, you can't whine me. I'm telling you, shit, boy, aha. So I'm sure if I did the Figma, I'll do something more realistic, more fun, more enjoyable. But yeah, for the first time, I'm also impressed with myself too. But this is not a free tool, and it has some setbacks. I also add there are some icons. So let's check the icon. So we have the exact image in Figma, and I'm going to try designing the same screen, same process, like I did in XD. I'll do it under half the time. I'm even challenging myself doing this in 10 minutes. So let's see if I can do that. I'm sure I can, because I know Figma well. But let's see. So we'll start frame. This is 52. This is, what's the time now? 5:23. Yeah, 10 minutes, right? So by 5:23 has to be done. Hey everyone, thanks for watching to the end. I appreciate you for watching. I want to let you know that I couldn't work on the Figma version because Figma wasn't working on my desktop and web app. So far since the weekend, it's been 3 days now, I haven't been able to use it. So let's just say I might complete it on that day or on live stream. In the meantime, if you have any questions or feedback on the video that you just watched, please, I'm very, very happy to hear what you think about it. I'm trying to improve too. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.